Welcome to BuyMyStuff. Here's a step-by-step guide on creating promo codes for your store. Navigate to the seller portal and select promo codes. Click on Add New Promo Code. Enter the percentage discount. Specify the start and end dates for this promo code to be valid. Set the total usage limit, indicating how many times the promo code can be used. Enter the user limit, representing the maximum uses per single user. Also, specify the minimum order amount. Now click Save Promo. Your promo code is now ready to be copied or shared directly from the app. Thank you for choosing BuyMyStuff. For more information, please visit BuyMyStuff.app.